So hello and namaste everyone. This is Devashish Paurel, currently studying BIT in third semester in KIST. And personally, KIST has given me a lot of experience in just the 1 year that I've spent here. Personally, I like practical knowledge, and KIST has been providing that since the start. And being a first timer here at KIST, I was expecting very low things, but that completely changed my mind. And KIST is one of the best colleges for IT if you want to enroll for an IT course. Theoretical and practical go side to side because each class is more interactive than the previous one. You get to learn new things every single day, and the teachers are also very nice. While classes are consistent in theoretical classes, the things that you learn in the theory class are implemented into the practical classes one by one also. And whenever you feel like I cannot understand something easily, the practical knowledge helps it better, and the teachers also are very helpful towards the students also. KIST also provides extracurricular skills that include non-IT courses and including IT courses, which helps the student know their boundary a lot also, because IT is not just about coding and programming. There are so many other scopes in the IT industry, so KIST provides the opportunity to go to pursue any of them.